Most investors lose money at auction for one simple reason. They don't leave enough margin for when things go wrong. And at auction, things always go wrong. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I build margin into every auction deal so I can survive mistakes, delays, and surprises and still come out profitable. When you buy at auction, you're buying blind. You can't go inside, you don't control the timeline, and you don't know what problems are hiding behind the walls. That means your deal has to work, even if your numbers are wrong. Margin isn't greed, margin is protection. It's what saves you when rehab costs come in higher, evictions take longer, the market shifts, or the property needs work you couldn't see. If your deal only works when everything goes perfectly, it's not a deal. The first place I build margin is the ARV. I don't use Zillow, I don't chase the highest comp, and I don't assume a perfect rehab. I use recent sold comps only, similar size, layout, and condition, and I price the property to sell fast, not to test the market. If I can't make money at a conservative ARV, I walk away. At auction, I assume something is wrong, even if it looks fine from the outside. So instead of asking, what's the cheapest rehab this could be? I ask, what's the worst reasonable rehab I might run into? I add buffers for foundation, plumbing, electrical, roof, permits, and city issues. If the numbers still work with a higher rehab budget, I know I've got margin. This is where most investors mess up. They calculate a max bid, then spend every dollar of it. I don't do that. My max bid already includes holding costs, unexpected repairs, delays, and profit. If I hit my max bid and the deal feels tight, I don't bid. Margin means I'm okay not winning the deal. Auction day is emotional, bidding wars, ego, the fear of missing out. That's why my margin is locked in before auction day. I follow rules, not emotions. If the numbers don't hit, I stop. If the margin gets thin, I walk. If someone outbids me, I let it go. I don't need every deal, I only need good ones. I pass on most auction properties, not because there aren't deals, but because most don't have enough margin. The deals I do buy sleep better, handle surprises, and still make money when things go sideways. That's how you survive long-term in this business. If you want to learn how to analyze auction deals the right way, with real margin, real numbers, and real protection, that's exactly what I teach inside my monthly membership. The link is below. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Because at auction, margin isn't optional. It's everything.